Alright everyone, we are here at a Speedway gas station in West Valley City, and we're going to check out their car wash, because it appears that it's working. This used to be a Shell, and before that it was a Tesoro, I believe, because Tesoro is the one that installed all these laser washes. So, excuse me, so we're going to check it out. So I'll see you guys in just a second to see if we can walk through it. Okay, let's walk through it. There's your underbody. There's the sensors. Try to do this as quick as possible. Here's your control panel. Some interior soaps. There's your treadle. Here's your signage there. There's the machine. The arm. There's your other signage. And then some superior dryers. So now let's go through it. She's getting her seatbelt on. Having a seizure. The stoplight is burned out. Actually, no it isn't. Sorry, my bad. This thing's a little bit confusing. It stinks in here, and you can clearly tell we're probably the first customer of the day. So this thing doesn't get a lot of traffic either. These signs here bring me a lot of nostalgia because my childhood Laserwash 4000 Yeah, my childhood Laserwash 4000 used to have those, but they all broke, and the Laserwash 4000 hasn't worked in like 3 months. Those bottom nozzles don't work. Alright, well, there's that. Okay, so what did you think of that wash?
Well, I think if you're absolutely desperate and need a wash right this minute, it's just fine, but it didn't do a great job.
Yeah, because I'm not sure it did spot-free rinse.
No.
I don't know if you noticed, but the triple foam turned on as the high pressure turned on.
Oh, I didn't notice that.
It's because it's a broken solenoid.
Oh, okay. Well, and the signage was a little confusing.
Yeah, and the bottom two nozzles, like if you have a really, really low car, it's not going to be able to clean it because the bottom two nozzles didn't work.
Oh, well, darn. Yeah, so what, 3, 4 out of 10?
I'd say 3 out of 10, honestly.
Okay.
Because the dryers were pretty crappy, and it didn't really do all that great of a job. So, yeah, that's the Laserwash 4000. Thank you guys for watching, and happy washing.